this is a window of perplexity. Go to the Google and write perplexity.ai. So this window will be open after select the particular web link, that is perplexity.ai. This is highlighted over here. So you can ask the question over here. For example, you can ask the question, impact of social media on mental health. So this is your research question or your research keyword. So what you can set a focus on for your score. So you can first search in an academic paper or publishing in academic. So text for chat without searching the web. So you can chat with Perplexity without any getting a source or citation based information. You can discuss over Reddit. Reddit is a platform where different researchers collaborate with each other and ask the relevant question. You can discover from the YouTube channel or from the computation knowledge or from the all the relevant entire database. So I can select academic. So you can attach a reference paper to it so that can get the relevant information from the paper and shows you the relevant information. So this is the question of our research, and I have selected focus on academia, and I had opened Copilot search. So Copilot is the AI based that will more organize your thoughts than any other tool. So let's start to select the answer. So this is a Copilot generate the answer for yourself. So what specific aspect of mental health are you interested in? So you can say depression, anxiety, body image, or self-esteem. Let's say we ask self-esteem, or for example, loneliness, stress, depression, and set the feedback to the Copilot. So it will understand your question, reading response, and search for the scholar ideas. So Copilot did 4 steps for you. First step, understand the question, reading your response that you give the self-estimate, and search scholar that it will take that keyword for searching you found, and it found 25 sources for relevant literature. So this is the answer of your query with citation based answer. For example, on the 2, you can find the relevant paper of this that are published in a relevant journal. So you can see that the relevant information from this paper. So this is the answer which Perplexity show you with the source page. So it also you give a related question for your brainstorming, that how the social media impact health way to avoid negative impact on the mental health. So how the social media affect the mental health differently in men and women. So you can ask the follow-up question or you can have a brainstorm question related to your query. So I will ask the follow-up question. So what is the impact of social media? What is the impact of social media on mental health in university students after COVID? So this is a more concise question on my query. Like I want to identify the particular population, that is university student after particular time, COVID time. So I will submit the query again. Copilot understand the question, searching scholars with the relevant keywords, found 21st to 25 sources for it. So these are the source, and the answer is generating, taking time. So it take time. That's why I give a slide presentation and add a complete tutorial in my slide, step-by-step tutorials in my slides. Okay, so this is the detailed answer which we have asked from the perspective, what is the impact of social media on mental health in university students after COVID? So this is a straightforward statement. So it gives the source answer from the 25 sources, and it will answer a step by step. So what is the effect of the social media on the mental health in different aspect of the student life? So you can ask again brainstorming question about it, or you can ask for the search images related to it. So you can search video. So there is another important feature. You can generate images by giving a prompt to it. So I will show you to my window. It is the role of medicine to give you a complete scenario. That is, I ask what is the role of nanomedicine in chemotherapy. Then I ask which type of the nanoparticle are most popular against liver cancer. So the and then I ask to create an outline for introduction section, which include why chemotherapy is difficult and not a successful treatment, the problem associated with it, and how nanomedicine revolutionized it with example and its solution. So it gives me the answer from 13 sources, and it generates the outline. For example, challenging may include lack of targeted drug resistance and limited efficiency. So the importance, so it will generate a whole outline for my introduction section in organized thought with subheading. So I can start searching for it step by step. For example, the first step is this, and I look for the source and understand the context and write down for my research question to start drafting my research paper or literature review paper. So again, I have tested multiple questions, multiple tests against 25 different rats and asked which biostatistical analysis should I use. So it gives me answer for that particular test, that you can use t-test, ANOVA test, non-parametric test, correlation analysis test. So it gives me a suggestion that can test we can use. So I asked for mathematical suggestion, give the formula of standard deviation. So it will suggest another mathematical formula with the related source, with related search images, videos, and all the other stuffs. So this is how the whole perplexity window. So I have many other brainstorming question, or I can ask further follow-up question to understand this further topic. So this is the whole perplexity I have done in already in my perplexity window. So due to the internet issue, I just show my previous window, not running the new window for you for this presentation. So this is the whole window. So this is perplexity. Then